If you're passionate about making things out of wood, then today is your lucky day, because for a limited time, I'm giving away my top 50 woodworking plans absolutely free. One of the problems many woodworkers face is finding good quality plans, because most of those found in woodworking magazines are a total waste of time and money. Why? Because these plans skip over many important parts, or their diagrams are confusing or flat out wrong. However, recently I discovered a resource that has the world's most comprehensive collection of woodworking plans. Each one of these 16,000 plans includes A to Z instructions that makes building projects super fast, super easy, and super fun. Take a look at some of the projects you can build with these plans. There are exact cutting and materials lists for every project, so you'll be able to buy exact amounts of material, which means you'll stop wasting your hard-earned cash on the wrong wood, wrong materials, or the wrong quantity. You do not need to be a master woodworker or have expensive machinery to use our plans. Whether you're a complete beginner, an amateur woodworker with hand tools, or a seasoned pro, you'll find thousands of projects that will suit your skill level. Now, I know you may be wondering, how can I be sure that these plans are all I say they are? Well, now for a limited time, you can get 50 of these plans absolutely free, so you can see for yourself just how complete and detailed they are. Here's a preview of some of the plans and guides you'll be receiving in your email inbox. A modern side table, push-along toys for kids, letter opener and desk set, colonial washstand plans, a guide to toxic woods, and many more. This modern side table is just one of the projects included in these free plans, as well as this porch swing. But I'm so sure that once you see these 50 free plans, you'll want to get all 16,000 plans before they're no longer available. Don't wait. Get your free plans while you can by clicking the link above or below this video. And I'll also send you my 440-page Art of Woodworking guide as a gift for downloading these plans. Don't delay. Click on the link above or below this video now.